Aces Up is a fun single-player card game where the goal of the game is to discard all of the cards on the table except for the aces. To play, first deal 4 cards face up in a row and set the rest of the cards aside to make a stockpile. In order to remove the cards from the table, there must be 2 or more face-up cards in the same suit, in which case you can remove the lowest card and place it in a separate discard pile. Aces are high in Aces Up. If there aren't 2 or more cards of the same suit on the table, deal out 4 new cards face up on top of the current cards. Then look for 2 or more cards in the same suit and remove the lowest card. If at any point you remove a card and it leaves one of the 4 spaces empty, you can move another card onto that space. Keep removing cards and dealing out new ones until the stockpile runs out or there aren't any more available moves. If you manage to remove all of the cards except for the aces, you win the game.